Hello everyone, my name is Vivian. I live in Istanbul and I try to show you what you need to know about Istanbul on this channel. Today in this video we will talk about KADIKÖY. Let's go to the video, have fun. Visit KADIKÖY on the Asian side of Istanbul and enjoy exploring the area's many attractions, including attending an opera, browsing through antique vendors, dancing to underground music, or watching the sun set over the Bosphorus. KADIKÖY has independent art spaces, music venues and colorful murals, making this neighborhood a popular attraction on the Anatolian side of Istanbul. You plan to take a ferry across the Bosphorus? Here are some things to do. Take the historic tramway in KADIKÖY, which has a more relaxed atmosphere than Istanbul's European side. The red carriage may look like a museum artifact, but the tram line is still running and is widely used as daily transportation. Take the tram by ferry and take you along the colorful buildings of Bahariye Caddesi and Moda. The line only lasts 10 stops in a 2.6 kilometers, 1.6 miles circular loop, so you can get a sense of the scenery. Visit the famous Turkish coffee shop in central KADIKÖY. The narrow streets here are bustling with life, but one place manages to stand completely still. Fazıl Bey's Turkish Coffee is a well-known neighborhood institution, a small oasis that has been roasting and grinding its own beans since 1923. Shop continues to be popular with coffee enthusiasts, recently being voted the third best in the country. Try a traditional Turkish coffee here and let the nostalgic Turkish songs that play help take you back in time. If you're looking for a workshop on art, KADIKÖY is a great place to start. There are many murals here that are sure to inspire you. This neighborhood is packed with art, and there are numerous creative communities to explore. Here, you can find local artists to purchase their work, join activities or classes, and explore exhibitions, artist meetings and workshops at Circuit Istanbul and Halka Sanat Projesi. Also, make sure to visit Art Here, an artist-run space in Syria founded by a photographer to support fellow nationals in creating and exhibiting art. Go antiquing on Telezade Sokak, where you'll find old books, records, and jewelry for sale. On this lane you'll find old telescopes, record players, and gas lamps, as well as used books, photos, and silver jewelry. Residents of KADIKÖY take great pride in their district and fight hard to protect its landmarks. The Süreyya Opera House is one such example. Built in 1927, it remained unfinished and never staged an opera. Instead, it operated as a cinema for decades and gradually fell into disrepair, until 80 years later, the municipality of KADIKÖY began a massive restoration. The Süreyya Opera House finally reopened in 2007, and it is now one of the best places to catch an opera, ballet, or classical concert in Istanbul. Dance the night away at Arkada, as tourists and young Istanbulites are getting to know the city's Anatolian side. New nighttime venues are constantly springing up, so there's always something to enjoy. An old classic, however, is Arkada, and many consider it to have played a central role in turning KADIKÖY into one of Istanbul's trendiest neighborhoods. This iconic bar, music and art center welcomes underground musicians and people who love to listen to them. Since 1999, enjoy a beer in the large back garden, or dance the night away to live music on the upper floor. Arkada has a lot of events that are free, including most of its events. If you're looking for a cure for a hangover, head to Ganesli Boz Sokak in Istanbul. The smell of spices, dried fruit, and fresh fish will help to take the edge off. This charming and busy little passage located behind the Sırp Takavor Church is influenced by the district's Armenian, Greek, and Albanian heritage. Find Meşhur Özkan Turşu, a shop specializing in pickles since 1935. Try to guess what's in the hundreds of colorful jars in this store, and the shopkeepers will help you find the perfect jar of pickles. Take in the views with a few beers at the Moda area. It's known for its modern architecture, creative residents and coffee shops, but nothing beats the spectacular view of the Sea of Marmara from here. Experience the sunset from above in Moda K Basisi's outdoor tea garden, where tea, coffee and snacks cost nothing. If you're in the mood for a beer more, come down to the beach and sit on the stones, a classic thing to do in KADIKÖY.